morning.
You ready to grab some rocks?
We are. Gaylene and I are off on a bit of an excursion this morning over the hill to get some rocks. Some flat rocks, in fact. Because we're going to be doing rock painting with our ladies group on Friday. Explain what we're doing.
Well, spring is upon us and it's gardening season, so I need to know what
plants are
what's what in my garden. So I thought, well, what better way to do that than inflict that onto all the ladies in the group. They also love gardening, so let's have some fun decorating some rocks. I'm keen to do one for oregano and marjoram because I can never tell the difference. So then I'll cook with the right herb.
We're going to Janice, is it Janice?
Yes.
Bakery, which is here.
I always say Janus because I think it's Dutch, isn't it?
Oh, is it? Janice.
I don't know. What else have we got? I'm pretty sure the J is pronounced Y. Oh, look at
Oh, this is cute.
anything but ordinary. It's shut.
I've not seen this before.
Oh, it looks very. Oh, it's a florist shop. Home and giftware. Ooh, look at some of this. So you know the Indian is kind of similar.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Can we walk down? Oh yes, we just park anywhere here. We can walk down.
Oh, yeah. So Garen's just going to go and have a look and see if we can actually get down onto the riverbed here. So the Hutt River runs the entire length of this valley, which goes beyond where you can actually see over there, right down to the sea, which is over there at Batoni. So we're here to find some flat rocks.
Can I just do a little disclaimer for a beautiful audience? That I've been told by people in power that we can come and collect some natural resources as long as we're not greedy, and we're only grabbing like 24 little stones. So yeah.
Right, cool. So we look for the flat ones.
You want ones with containers, don't you? It doesn't matter if they're a little bit muddy.
What sort of size?
Well, if you imagine painting, I don't know, carrots or whatever, like probably wide and flat would be
Wide
better.
and flat.
Kind of as wide and as flat as you can.
Oh, that one.
Imagine some of the words.
That one looks perfect. That one's perfect.
Another project that I want to do, we've got a lot of lace.
Oh yes, we do.
Is I want to get really nice shaped like this with a good solid foundation and cover it in lace,
Oh yeah.
or put lace on it and spray paint so the rock looks like lace. And
Oh,
do
yeah.
doorstops. Would have to put felt on the bottom because it can scratch.
Oh yes. Good idea. Doing is drying off between layers.
Don't take my word, I don't know what I'm doing. I wish I hadn't started it now.
A quick rundown of instructions for your painted rocks. Using an old towel, brush off any mud that may be on the surface of your rocks. Give your rocks 2 to 3 coats of any water-based paint. Once they have dried, you're then ready to decorate. You can decorate them any way you like. They can be garden rocks, rocks for gifts. They can have names or even some quotes on them. Once they've dried, give them 2 to 3 coats of lacquer or polyurethane to seal them. That's all there is to it. Let's go and put some rocks in the garden. So we've got lettuce and spinach in here. Some parsley. So these make really cool gifts for people.